Guys, welcome back to Rogue TV for another reaction. We're going to be reacting to Bad Wolves or Remember When. I'm only familiar with Bad Wolves from the cover song that they did for the Cranberries cover song. If you haven't heard it, you should go look it up and listen to it. It's very good. Also, if you're new to the channels, please like, comment, and subscribe down below. If you do subscribe, make sure you hit the bell button and click all. That way you get all of my notifications because I do upload 3 to 5 videos a day, 7 days a week. I wouldn't want you to miss out. So we're going to go ahead and get into this one. Side note, I forgot to tell you guys, this is actually based off a true story that happened to the lead singer. So on September 20th of 2010, Tommy Vext was killed by his twin brother during a home invasion. And then 8 years later, he told their story.
When it was 1992, two little kids stealing records, giving school. We must have been like only 10, taking life for granted till we learned it had an end. Time is something they say you never appreciate till you age. And to this day you never knew I wanted to be just like you. If I
Before we go any further, I just got to compliment the guy on his voice. His voice is amazing, and I knew that I liked his voice when I heard that cover song, and I should have looked into more of his music, but I didn't. I guess I got busy and forgot all about it. But I'm glad that you guys are suggesting this song.
When it was 2002, you started slinging coke and got the dopest pair of shoes. But yo, this house just ain't a home since our father hit the bottle and our mother hit the road. Time is something they say, never understand it till it slips away. And looking back, I think you knew I wanted to be just like you. If I
All right, so I don't know why, but I'm struggling to follow the story. The guy that he's talking to, is that the killer of his brother? The person that killed his brother? Somebody give me the backstory down in the comments. I really would like to know what exactly is going on. I'm trying my best to follow it. I'm assuming and I'm hoping that I'm right, that the person that he's talking to in prison is the killer of his brother. So I like the song. I like the message putting it out. I'm hoping that what I'm about to say is correct. His twin brother got killed during a home invasion by the guy that he's seeing in prison. He's singing the song to the guy in prison, but the song is actually dedicated to his twin brother about remember when, and that how he wanted to be like him. And if that's the story, that's hard to hear. It's hard to visualize, it's hard to see, it's hard to hear. I hate it. I hate seeing, I don't know. I think it makes you think. I hate seeing somebody else's pain. In 2012, Tommy's brother was sentenced to 17 years in prison for attempted murder. All right, now I'm completely confused. I don't know why I'm struggling to follow this storyline. I probably should have. I guess I should have researched it beforehand. So now that I'm reading this, it sounds like his brother did a home invasion. He killed. I don't know. I'm confused. I don't know why. Somebody help me out with this one. Because I really like the song. And I really like Bad Wolves. I mean, somebody help me. Like, put it down in the comments. Guys, if you are new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe down below. Actually, wait a minute. Is there anything else saying? The two brothers never saw each other again. Yeah, I'm going to need you guys to help me out on this one. For some reason, I'm having troubles following it. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below. If you do subscribe, make sure you hit the bell button and click all, because I do upload 3 to 5 videos a day, 7 days a week. Wouldn't want you to miss out.